Hey, good morning, good folks. How you doing? This is Billy Josie coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I wanted to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in this part of the world. And I wanted to share with you this morning an article I just read not too long ago. And I thought this would be great to share with you guys. Um, and it's just 10 steps to achieve any goals. And I'm going to just kind of skim through it. At the very bottom of the video, there'll be a link to actually you can watch the full, read the full article. But I'm just going to kind of touch over the points, the 10 steps to achieve any goal. So again, I won't keep this video too long. I know your time is very important and maybe very limited and very precious. So I'm going to make sure I respect your time. So the 10 steps to achieving a goal. We're going to start with step number one. Step number one. And step number one says redefine accountability. And I won't go over each one because I want you to read it yourself too as well. Think as if your life depended on it. When you can't control your circumstances, don't let your circumstances control you. 4, you've got to want it more than you don't want it. 5, don't let gravity pull you down. 6, every breakthrough requires a bold stroke. 7, ask for feedback. 8, ask yourself, am I a renter or an owner? 9, prepare to move a lot of dirt. 10, make it happen. So again, those 10 steps to achieve any goal. Again, I didn't purposely want to go over in detail because again, I want you to go ahead and read it yourself. I think you'll find a lot of good tips to, if you do have some goals that you want to achieve here in 2018, we got about a little less than 6 months left in 2018. Read this article, let it inspire you, let it influence you. I mean, I'm sharing it with you this morning because it inspired me, and I thought it would be great for you also to take a read, and find out what you can do to, reach those goals and dreams that you have for 2018 and beyond. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make it a powerful day. Make it an impactful day today. God bless you guys. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. God bless you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.